Today, we're tackling a topic that's often subtle yet crucial in the dating world, especially when it involves an age gap. Understanding when a younger woman is testing your sexual compatibility. It's not always straightforward. Sometimes these tests are wrapped in nuanced behaviors or conversations. I'm here to guide you through recognizing these signs and understanding their significance. By the end of this video, you'll be more adept at picking up on these cues, helping you navigate these moments with confidence and insight. Ready to explore this intriguing aspect of attraction? Let's dive in. 1. Inquisitive about your past relationships. A younger woman may show interest in your sexual compatibility by asking detailed questions about your past relationships. This inquisitiveness can be a way of understanding your approach to romance and sexuality. She might be trying to gauge your relationship patterns, commitment level, and how you handle romantic encounters. These questions can provide her with insight into what to expect from you in a potential sexual and romantic relationship. 2. Observing your physical comfort level. Pay attention to how she observes your reactions to physical proximity and casual touches. She may be assessing your comfort with physical intimacy and your responsiveness to subtle physical cues. This observation can include how you react when she casually brushes against you, or how you respond to flirtatious physical contact. Her assessment may help her determine your level of interest and your physical compatibility with her. 3. Discussing sexual preferences indirectly. She may bring up discussions about sexual preferences or experiences in a more general context, as a way to observe your reactions and opinions. By discussing these topics indirectly, she can gauge your openness, your attitudes towards sex, and what you might be interested in, without making the conversation too personal or direct. This can be her way of determining if your sexual preferences align with hers. 4. Initiating conversations on sexual health. If she initiates conversations about sexual health or contraception, it could be an indication that she's gauging your awareness and attitude towards these important topics. This type of discussion can be her way of assessing how seriously you take these matters, which is an integral part of evaluating sexual compatibility. It shows she's considering the practical and health aspects of a potential sexual relationship. 5. Noticing your reaction to sexual content. A younger woman might assess your sexual compatibility by observing your reactions to sexual content in movies, TV shows, or books. This observation can give her insights into your preferences and boundaries. For instance, she may pay attention to whether you seem comfortable or uneasy during scenes with sexual content, or if you make any comments, as a way to gauge your attitudes and openness towards sexuality. 6. Engaging in flirtatious banter. Engaging in flirtatious, suggestive banter can be a way for her to test your ability to participate in and enjoy such exchanges. This kind of banter can be a playful method to explore sexual chemistry without moving into more direct or serious territory. It allows her to gauge whether you're on the same wavelength humorously and sexually, and whether you can handle and reciprocate her flirtatious gestures. 7. Watching your interaction with others. She may observe how you interact with other women, possibly to gauge your flirtation style and how you handle sexual tension. This observation can tell her a lot about your approach to women and sexuality in general. For instance, she might notice whether you're flirtatious with many women or more reserved, and how you respond to advances or flirtations from others. This gives her clues on your sexual demeanor and compatibility with her. 8. Testing your boundaries. A younger woman might test your boundaries to see how you handle provocative situations. This could involve her making risque jokes or comments and observing your reaction. The purpose here is to gauge your comfort level with sexual humor and to see how you react under potentially uncomfortable or charged situations. It's a way for her to understand your limits and how you manage sensitive or direct sexual references. 9. Physical closeness in public settings. She may find reasons to be physically close to you in social settings, such as sitting unusually close or finding excuses to initiate physical contact. This behavior is a way to test how you respond to her proximity and touch. It serves as a gauge of your comfort with physical closeness and can be an indicator of how you might respond to intimacy. She's observing whether you welcome these interactions or if you're more reserved, giving her clues about your physical compatibility. 10. Asking hypothetical questions. She might ask hypothetical questions about romantic or sexual scenarios to gauge your thoughts and reactions. These questions can be about how you'd handle certain situations in a relationship or your opinions on various romantic dilemmas. Her aim is to understand your mindset regarding relationships and intimacy without directly probing into your personal life. Your answers help her evaluate your compatibility on a sexual and romantic level. 11. Inviting you to dance. Dancing with you can be a subtle way for her to test physical chemistry and comfort with body language. Dance allows for a certain level of physical closeness, and can be a playful yet telling way to gauge how two people move together. It's not just about the dance itself, but about how you handle being in close proximity, whether you lead or follow, and how you communicate non-verbally through movement. 12. Sharing personal fantasies or desires. If a younger woman starts to share her fantasies or desires in a conversation with you, it can be a method of testing sexual compatibility. She might approach this topic in a lighthearted or seemingly offhand manner, but her real intent is to observe your reactions and to see if you have any shared interests in this area. Your response to these discussions can indicate your openness to discussing sexuality and whether your desires align with hers. 13. Observing your lifestyle choices. She might pay close attention to your lifestyle choices, particularly those related to fitness and health, as these can be indicators of sexual energy and vitality. For example, if you're involved in regular physical activity or show a commitment to healthy living, she may interpret these as signs of a high level of energy and a positive attitude towards maintaining physical well-being, both of which can be attractive in a sexual partner. 14. Interest in your sense of adventure. Her inquiries or observations about your sense of adventure can be a subtle way of assessing your openness to exploring new experiences. This can extend beyond just physical adventures to include trying new things in general, which can be seen as an indicator of a willingness to experiment and embrace new experiences in a relationship, including sexually. 15. Noticing your dressing style. She may comment on or take notice of your dressing style, particularly on occasions when you dress in a more provocative or stylish manner. This attention can indicate that she's observing how you present yourself and whether your style reflects a level of confidence and appeal. How you dress can communicate a lot about your personality and, by extension, your approach to more intimate aspects of a relationship. 16. Playful physical challenges. A younger woman might initiate playful physical challenges, like arm wrestling or playful wrestling, to gauge physical interaction and strength. These activities can be lighthearted ways to test physical boundaries and see how you respond to direct physical contact. They can also be an indicator of her interest in your physical capabilities and comfort with close, playful interactions, which can be relevant in assessing sexual compatibility. 17. Your comfort with touch. She will likely pay close attention to how you react to casual or accidental touches. This observation can give her insights into your comfort level with physical intimacy. For instance, if you respond positively and comfortably to casual touches, it might indicate to her that you are at ease with physical closeness. Conversely, if you seem apprehensive or withdrawn, she might interpret this as discomfort with physical intimacy. 18. Suggestive gifts or jokes. If she gives you a gift or shares a joke that has sexual undertones, it could be a way of observing how you handle such a gesture. The nature of the gift or the joke can be telling, as it might be her way of introducing a sexual element into your interactions to see if you are on the same wavelength and how open you are to discussing or engaging with sexual content. 19. Direct eye contact. Prolonged and intense eye contact can be a powerful tool in creating engaging sexual tension. If she maintains deep, direct eye contact with you, it might be an attempt to establish a connection that goes beyond the surface level. This type of eye contact can be a form of nonverbal communication that indicates interest and can be particularly charged with meaning, suggesting an unspoken exploration of sexual chemistry. You're on the path to understanding her better. Next up, learn the signs she's sexually attracted to you, or discover the art of how to make her miss you nonstop. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more insight.